Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this carpet cleaner. So let's get started. Right inside, get right away important stuff, clean solutions that you're supposed to use, and all that other stuff. I'll show you that in a second. Also, you want to see the products, I'm going to get down to that. Oh yeah, some of you may want to see around the box. So on the top, this is what you're supposed to be getting. Okay, on the back, that's the information that you guys will see. Alright, and on the side, and the other side. Okay, so everybody always asks me to show them all around the box because I know there's information, but sometimes it's really important. So here's the solution. So Expert Clean. Usually it's good to use the same solution they recommend. Now this looks like, I don't know, almost looks like it's been opened before. That's how it looks inside. And so we're going to take it apart and see. It almost looks like it has been opened before. This may be an open box already. That's part of it. Those are screws that come with it. It's weird that you get screws, usually you don't when setting these guys up. So I'm going to set that right here. Okay, let's just put that apart. And we have this guy. Okay, so we have wash, rinse. Pretty simple. Looks pretty simple. Yeah. That's part of it. Get this bag. That's pretty good. Get a bag. Okay, so let me show you the bag. So here's the bag. It's pretty good that you get a bag with all these things in it. Sometimes you get all these accessories, you have no idea where to put them. Well, these are the accessories that you guys will get with it. Okay, so you just take that out for you guys. Okay, so you do get that, which you will need. Actually, let's just leave it out. Okay, get a second one. This one's 100% transparent, so that's good. Just put it there. It's inside here. Okay, we got this guy, this guy. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna keep these guys together. That's all that's inside of here. So I'm gonna set that apart for now. Then, what we all want to see is the actual machine. Let's attempt to take this out. And not as heavy as I thought it would be. So there's nothing else in the box. Yep. Nothing else in the box, guys. Got this right here. Just take it out. Take a look at it. The cord looks pretty long, so good. So it's a good thing that it's not heavy. It's a bad thing too, right? Something that's heavy means good quality, and too light just means pretty light, fragile plastic. So as you guys will see my channel, I also have done an unboxing and setup video for another product, which is diesel, different than this. And what I can tell you right away, that diesel one is larger than this one. This one is smaller and lighter. The diesel one that I messed around with was bigger and heavier. Definitely heavier. This isn't that heavy. Which, like I said, it's a good thing and a bad thing. So I'm gonna do some close-ups so you guys can see the whole unit, and then I'm gonna put it together so you guys can see what's up with it. And afterwards, I'm gonna do a setup video and then a testing video so you guys can see how it cleans. However, we all know that these guys clean pretty well. So that's around it. I'm gonna do some close-up shots in a second so you guys can get a better look at this. Again, this is just an unboxing video, so you guys will just see exactly what you get in the box. In my other videos, you guys will see the setup video, the testing video, and the review. So the review usually comes after a few weeks to a few months, because I really want to test this out and see if it actually lasts and if it's worth it. Alright, so let me just do some close-ups so you guys can see. That's it for this unboxing video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can leave them down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.